morning, guys. I was just getting ready to head to the airport here and I lost the footage, so I thought I would do a little voiceover. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. This is the first of the honeymoon vlogs and I'm so excited to share with you guys what I did on my honeymoon and also on my wedding. So more to come, but again, hit the like button and leave me a comment down below just so I know that you're here watching. We just got to the airport, so I'm gonna put my sunglasses in my backpack and I'm good to go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Alright, so we're early at the airport and basically just hanging out. We have a well, and there's no good stores. I even looked it up. Philadelphia airport doesn't have any cool stores, like designer stores to browse or whatever. By the way, look at my nails. I'm obsessed. I did them last night. They are Hey gel strips. I'll have them linked. Here's these. They look really good. I had to redo my thumb on this side. Long story. So I have two of the same color over here, and also I'm wearing a wrist wrap because my wrist has been bothering me so much. So yeah, we're just hanging out. Hi guys, we are in our room. I didn't get any footage of the shuttle and stuff, but this is our room for the night because tomorrow we switch rooms. So I already switched into a bikini and a little cover up, and we have champagne somewhere. Let me show you the outfit. Very, very cutesy. So yeah, and I already put sunscreen on. I reapplied on my face, kind of redid my makeup a little bit, but let's go. We're gonna go explore for a while. Hi guys, it is much later in the day. Sorry for the bad audio. I hope you guys can still hear me. I'm not gonna set my tripod up and my camera with my microphone yet because tomorrow we're switching to another room, so I'm trying not to unpack all my stuff yet. But I wanted to show you very quickly my outfit of the day. I did my makeup. So again, I didn't film it today because honestly, again, I just didn't want to unpack and set up my tripod and then have to pack it again tomorrow to move to another room. So tomorrow we'll move to a room. We're going to be there for a while. So I'll be able to just leave my setup out and it'll be so much easier to film for you guys. But outfit is top from LNA, pants are J. Crew. Sandals are Valentino. This is like a gold necklace my dad got me. I got these little flowers from Shein, and then I just have regular jewelry, gold jewelry, and that's my outfit of the night. I haven't left yet, but I wanted to give you guys a different look of my outfit because this camera has a wider lens so that you guys can kind of see. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. Anyways, let's go have dinner.
You watch what other people say and do. You wonder how they always make it through. You worry what your friends might say if you should fall along your way. It's simply cause you worry you won't move. Whoever you are, just be whoever you are. Whoever you are, just be whoever you are. You're sitting on your phone scrolling all day, letting all the signals flood your brain. You're watching all the
Nice vibes.
I've eaten so much that my stomach is full, but I feel good. I had 2 desserts today, which is nice.
2 desserts? Today or just tonight?
Oh, I guess
She
tonight.
had 5 desserts.
'Cause I had cookies earlier.
whoever you are, just be whoever you are. And if you don't know, then start your seeking.
Good morning, guys. I'm getting ready. Actually, we're getting ready to check out because we're changing rooms, like I said yesterday. So I need to repack all my stuff. I'm gonna do my skincare and like just light makeup today, and probably something for my hair so that I can get in the water and it doesn't get all crazy. It's really frizzy today. This is the Everyday Human Sun Glazed SPF 30 Sunscreen Glow Oil. This stuff is awesome. I'm taking this to the beach to reapply and get all glossy and pretty. And then, well, you know, let's put a little deodorant on. So, a little lippy, a little whippies. Starting with the Kopari. So I'm using this smaller camera today, so. Province Beauty Eye Cream. Literally the most important thing is probably gonna be making sure I have sunscreen on my face for the next couple of days. So I have like 2 face sunscreens in my beach bag, and I also have like Sunbun SPF 30 lip balms because my lips can tend to get dry. A little vitamin C to protect the skin. This is Fruitia 33% citrus brightening vitamin C ampule. I got this as a brand like video that I did for them, and then I was looking up like acne safe vitamin C's, and that one was one of the ones that I had. I'm gonna go in with Merit Glow Serum. Baby, what time is it?
I don't know.
And I'm gonna do a little moisturizer and
10:50.
oh, okay. So I gotta move.
Yeah.
Using it, it's an SPF of 50, so it's like perfect for this beachy weather. Very quick makeup. Just gonna do this. And through the brows with L'Oreal. A little bit of this. I'm gonna set my face real quick with Wish Beauty because it's the first powder I have. Spray a little setting spray. This is Urban Decay. All right, I'll see you guys later. So we finally are laying on the beach and it's so nice out. Literally perfect, bright and sunny. And the water is perfect. What's the temp on the water?
Bath water. A little
Bath
cooler
water.
than bath water. Perfect.
Pretty nice.